Salary advance approval ensures that the process remains fair, transparent, and in line with organizational policies. By implementing a structured approval system, employers can thoroughly assess each request, taking into account both the employee's needs and the company's financial capabilities. This process allows human resources to verify the validity of each request, ensure repayment terms are clearly defined, and maintain consistency in decision-making. To approve or reject a salary advance request, navigate to the Human Resource module and select the Salary Advance panel. In the View Salary Advance Requests section, filter for requests that are pending approval by selecting the appropriate dates and clicking on View. A list of pending salary advance requests will appear. If the list is long, you can use the search bar to narrow down your search. Click on the request you wish to manage. To approve the salary advance, click on the Actions button and choose Approve Request from the menu list. A window will pop up where you can specify the approved amount for disbursement. After indicating the approved amount, click on Approve to complete the process. Once approved, the request will be marked successfully, and it will appear color-coded in orange. If you need to reject a request, select the relevant request from the pending approval list. Click on the Actions menu and choose Reject Request. A rejection window will appear, prompting you to enter the reason for rejection. Once you've provided the necessary details, click Reject. The rejected request will be updated and color-coded in red, clearly indicating the decision. This process ensures that salary advance requests are managed efficiently, aligning with company policies and promoting financial responsibility.